Hey, what's up, guys and gals? What's up, all you Hot Wheel lovers? Welcome back to 1/64th scale racing again. Checking out some another little haul we got from the Walmart. And let's see what we got. Check it out. First up, we got a new for 2024. It's like a Lamborghini Huracan, Sterata, something like that. Check it out, pretty orange and black. From the HW Drift. Pretty cool. And then we got a Chevrolet 67 Chevy C10 called the Keep Drawing Hot Wheels HW Art Cars. A little man in the steering wheel right there, see him? Got number 3 on the top of the cab. Pretty nice looking truck. And we have new for 2024 Porsche 911 Rally. That Rough Roads Porsche 953. It's a pretty cool looking Porsche. Oh, another new for 2024. It's kind of an odd looking car. It's called the Small Block. Kind of weird looking if you ask me. Looks like something maybe back in the Flintstone days Barney Rubble drove. Something like that. But anyway, it's a pretty interesting looking thing. It's called the Small Block. We got an 87 Audi Quattro. Audi Quattro. It's also a new for 2024. Nice, pretty in black. It's another one of them cars with nice detail on one end and no detail on the other end. The one that can't do it on both. But anyway, that's HW Turbo. We got another HW Art Cars. The old 72 Ford Ranchero. Old multicolored up. Big old V on the top. It's a colorful car, I'll tell you that. But anyway, that's the Ford Ranchero. And next we got the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Gulf oil car. Got a weird looking back. They could have painted the tail lights, but they didn't. But anyway, I try to get all of them Gulf oils. It's pretty cool. And then next, we got a 2016 Ford GT Race. Got it stretched out there with a big old fin on it. Right there. It's a then and now car. But it's pretty nice. Got another new for 2024. 86 on the side, a Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. It's pretty neat though. It's a pretty nice car. Got a BMW M3 wagon. It's pretty nice. New for 2024 also. Got a 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Souza Plumbing and Heating. Gets to the job fast. HW the 90s. It's pretty cool. And we got a Mazda RX-3. New for 2024. HWJ Imports. It's like a tune car, I guess. Got trouble on the front license plate. And we got a Lamborghini Huracan, whatever how you pronounce it, LP622 Super Trofeo Lamborghini. Pretty nice. And last, we got a new for 2024 Batman and Robin Batmobile. Like it got a little bit of blue on it. Those Batman and Robin both can't fit in there. So it's one or the other. There's nowhere for them to sit. Just one person. See his old head right there? But anyway, that's the new Batman and Robin Batmobile. New for 2024. And that wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed my little Walmart haul here. Check out my other videos, the 1/64 scale racing. I got all kinds of action videos, POV videos, old cars, and whatever you can find. But anyway, please like and subscribe and check back with me later. We'll have some more. Thanks for watching. See ya.